Dark secrets unraveled. Magic isn't a choice. Ignorance is a choice. Hatred is a choice. Violence is a choice. But someone's existence is never a choice or a fault, and it's certainly not a crime. Magic is outlawed, but great.
Welcome back to Indie Girl. This is Pooja here, and if you guys have seen my latest video, you might know that I told you about a secret announcement. Something secret. So, if you want to know what is it, and if you've not seen my last video, here's the clip to our channel. And also remember, we have a secret announcement. So, in a few days, you'll be seeing the secret announcement, and bye guys! Hi guys, welcome back, and are you excited to know what's the secret announcement? Well, the announcement is I got a book. I ordered a recent book from Amazon, and it's one of my favorite books, one of my most anticipated big fat books. So in today's video, we'll be seeing an unboxing of it. So we got the book from Amazon like right now, and I got it this evening, and I was like super excited. So number one, we'll be seeing an unboxing, and you'll be seeing a bit about this book, and you'll be seeing how it looks inside. So are you super excited to see what's in there? So let's go. So guys, like it's quite fat. So you see, this is kind of like the box. You see, like it weighs around, I think, yeah, it's 1.00 kgs. It's quite a heavy, compact book. So let's pick it out. So guys, this is Tale of Magic, and this is written by one of the bestseller authors of New York City, who has written The Land of Stories, Chris Colfer. So he's written this great book, and thank you, Chris Colfer, for giving me such an amazing book. So this is how it looks. It's super fatty. I love fat books, they are amazing. So, talking about this book is about our main character, who is Bristol Evergreen, who loves reading, and she just, stumbles across this secret section of a library and starts reading a secret book. And then she gets to know she's a part of this fairy society, and she can perform and do magic. And actually, in the Southern Kingdom, which I'll be showing you as a map. So let me show it as a map. So this is the Southern Kingdom, and this is where our main character lives. And obviously this is a place where the reading is forbidden for women. So and magic is outlawed. So our main character, Bristol, stumbles over a problem, and she is named as a criminal or a culprit and sent to the Booth's correctional facility as a punishment, and then Mrs. Madam Weatherbury comes upon and rescues her, and she brings her to the Magic Academy, where she can learn magic. And there's a problem hovering through the magic society, and she should be saving the fairy kingdom by using her magic with her friends. And it's gonna be a super exciting adventure for me with Bristol Evergreen. So I'm super excited to read this book. So guys, let's go to the part 3 of this book, and the part 3 of this video is nothing but exploring inside the book. So let's go. So this is our book. It's such an amazing book. It's such a fatty. So do you see, it's fat book. So if you open this book, we get a bit of introduction, and as soon as we open it, we get a map. Like, this map is amazing. I love the books with maps, as they're super great. So, and we are having prologues, and like it's quite a long prologue. So we're having chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got many chapters in this book, as this is a long chapter. So all of them contain few of these images at the starting, and they have design. And this talks about our author, Chris Colfer. So this is how this book looks. But wait, we're having another thing. So let's just open this cover, and we are having such a beautiful illustration. Let me open this cover, guys. So this is the cover. Now, you see this amazing book? This is like a secret book. And this is amazing, absolutely amazing, with fairies, castles, unicorns, and a great land, and a fairyland, and beautiful plants over it. This is the best book cover which I've ever seen. So, super excited to get into this book. So guys, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to Indian Wonder Girl, and also remember to share your opinion about this book in the comment box below. You can buy this book in Amazon right now by using the link given in the description box. So, bye guys!